In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom link in Calendly. If you want your meeting links to be created automatically, whenever someone books time with you, Calendly and Zoom work really well together. Once this is set up, you won't need to manually create a Zoom meeting for every appointment, which can save time and help keep your scheduling process organized. To get started, log into your Calendly account. After you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Scheduling. This is where you can manage the different event types you offer, such as one-on-one meetings, consultations, or other appointment options. Next, select the event type you want to edit. Make sure you choose the specific event where you want Zoom to be used as the meeting location, since each event type can have its own settings. Once you're inside that event's settings, open the Location section. This area controls how and where the meeting will take place. From the available location options, click Zoom. If your Zoom account has already been connected to Calendly before, this part should be quick and easy. If Zoom is not connected yet, click Connect Zoom. Calendly will then prompt you to sign into your Zoom account and authorize the integration. Follow the sign-in process and approve the connection so Calendly can create Zoom meeting links on your behalf. This authorization is what allows the two platforms to work together automatically. After the connection is complete, return to the event type settings. It's a good idea to double-check that Zoom is selected as the event location. This confirms that the event will use Zoom for future bookings rather than another location type like a phone call, in-person meeting, or custom link. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. This is an important final step because your updates won't apply unless you save them. After that, you can copy and share your Calendly booking link as usual. From this point forward, when invitees book a meeting through that event type, Zoom meeting links will be automatically generated and included in the booking details. That means both you and your invitees will receive the meeting information without any extra manual setup. As a quick tip, if you use multiple event types in Calendly, you may want to repeat this process for each one that should include a Zoom meeting. That helps keep your scheduling experience consistent and avoids confusion for invitees. Thanks for watching.